don't be jealous. Just come out to the farmer's market, pick up a tub of salsa, and you too can be doing this. So good. Let's crack open this egg and see how we did over here. I think I missed it. Oh, there we go. Right there. Just enough. Not crazy runny. That's pretty big. Let's cut this down. Hi guys, it's Brenda with Native Root Salsa Company. I thought I would pop in today and give you guys some ideas on how to use our salsa beyond chips and salsa. So today we're going to be making some huevos rancheros. I'm going to use our original salsa, which is our mild, but we have lots to choose from. You can use our chipotle, which is the medium, or just hot enough if you want it a little bit spicier. So I have chopped a little bit of an onion. I've got some cheese because I want a little bit of cheese on mine. And I also have prepared my mini corn tortillas with refried beans. We will add a little cilantro as garnish at the end, and a little guacamole green sauce that I've made that we will probably post a recipe on this at some point as well. This is not currently one of the salsas that we sell. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. There's going to be more to come. We're going to transform some salsas. We're going to cook with salsas. You're going to see what all you can do. This little tub of deliciousness is like a sofrito. It is a seasoning agent. We're even going to make a tomato water martini out of this at some point. So let's get cooking. So, we're going to take another bite of this deliciousness. Get a little of that tortilla, some of the egg, a little bit of the green. Oh, that'll make a mess. Really good. That'll make your Sunday morning.